Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. Hello if you're new here. Thank you for joining me on my channel. So today's video, I just actually dyed my hair, so I wanted to show you guys the process of how I do it. I do use a box dye because everything's closed at the minute, as we know, and I have actually been dyeing my hair myself for many years. So this is the dye that I picked up. It's the Loreal Preference. It's in the shade 1001. And it looks super blonde on the box, but the way I do it is by using a brush because I want to create like a natural highlighty effect. So I actually use my hairbrush and put the dye onto my hairbrush. So I just thought it may be a technique that you guys maybe not know about, and I wanted to share it because it's how I've been doing my hair, and you get the kind of natural look instead of like a tone, you know, all the one color of block dye. And I will just jump on into me dyeing my hair. Hi guys, and welcome to my bathroom. I'm going to be dyeing my hair. So this is the one I picked up. So in this kit you get the color gel, you also get some gloves, you get this developer, this is a conditioner, so this little shine developer, which I have never seen in a hair dye kit before, so this will be interesting to see if it makes any difference. But I'm just going to mix all the products together and get started. Section my hair, I just threw up a little bit of my hair from at the top, but so once I sectioned it, I'm going to use my brush, and I've got my developer here, so it's already all mixed. I line the brush, so can you see like this? Sorry, it has hair on it, I have just brushed my hair. I line it like this, and then I brush it through my hair, starting in the middle, so I use it like where I would want the highlights to start. So can you see how it goes like this, how I would want them to start from here. And then I just brush it as I do, so I just do this on a brush. It's really simple, I just do lines and then go straight down. So I'll do this side for you. I have a big mirror behind me, so sorry if I look away, I'm just trying to make sure I get it correct. On for 30 minutes, and then I'll come back once I've washed it off and show you guys the final product. Fingers crossed it looks good. So I'm super happy with how it turned out. I haven't used this dye in a while. I've used the Garnier one before, but I really like this one. I like how natural it looks, and it doesn't even look like it's been dyed, but you can see that there is lighter blonde pieces. I just kept it on for 30 minutes, so I didn't leave it over the time or anything. It's also super soft, so that little shine spray that you get with it may work. I don't know, but it definitely feels really soft and I like it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.